got the Silber Turbo YXZ here, and we also got Gino has got his stock YXZ, so we're gonna do a little drag race. It's actually a good comparison to kind of see what we gained with the Silber or lost. Maybe I'll get totally embarrassed and it'll be like dead even and I wasted my money. So yeah, Gino's is blowing stock. Actually, he's got a Yoshi off a CRF 450 or something on it. But other than that, it's blowing stock on 28-inch bighorns. Then mine, as you guys seen, it's got the Silber kit on it, running 5 pounds, so it makes about 150 horse. Gino should be around 112-ish, so we'll do a couple runs. I don't know how long, but whatever, it doesn't matter. We'll figure it out. We'll get someone at the other end, and we'll just see what they do. It's a good comparison to see, you know, what a basic 5-pound kit will give you over stock, anyways. Yeah, sure. I'll give you the launch. Huh? I'll let you launch first.
Oh, you'll let me launch first?
Yeah.
Not bad, man. Like,
oh, you know what?
We'd have to go back in the camera footage, but it looked like at least, you know, 3 or 4 cars.
Yeah,
that's
honestly,
for sure.
I thought it would actually be closer than that.
Yeah, his unit, that car is way louder though.
Yeah,
Holy jeez.
Yeah, that thing, I can hear it like over this.
Oh yeah.
No, that's pretty good.
Yeah, not bad. Well, that's a good comparison too, right?
Yeah.
Same tires, same
Yeah,
unit.
pretty similar, right?
Except one shifts backwards.
Yeah, apparently we should like almost talk about that. Like,
Yeah, yeah, we should get that on camera actually. So
should we? Yeah.
Yeah, so this one here, obviously, if you shift backwards, that's upshift, right? Forwards, downshift. Now, on this unit over here,
Yeah, not bad.
for some reason, on this one, it's the completely opposite. Forward is upshift and backwards is downshift. Now, obviously it's labeled the same, but for some reason it's shifting backwards. Pretty neat, pretty interesting.
Well, that's it for this video. Good comparison, as you can see. I guess the turbo actually does make quite a bit of a difference. I thought it was going to be closer, to be honest, but good race regardless. And in typical fashion, something's always got to happen. Something's always got to go wrong. I don't know if you could hear that. Maybe not. Anyway, shortly after that race, got a puncture in the tire and had to park it, go get the truck and trailer at home, but no big deal. We'll get a new tire on there and be done with that. But yeah, as always, if you like the video and you want to see more of this stuff, please subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Share, send the videos to your buddy, all that good stuff. But yeah, that's it for this video. I've got a couple of other just random clips, not enough to make another video, so I figured I'd throw it in right now after this. So yeah, just keep watching. I got some other random clips from the pit. But anyways, see you next time. Dude's brave. That was good. Well, that solves that, I guess, eh?